Hey folks, John Bernakevitch here with All Points Design. That's allpointsdesign.ca. Today we're talking about the Oregon State University Permaculture Design course template, either if you're in the regular course or the pro course or the food forestry course. One of the first things we'll want to do is you'll notice on every single slide in the top left-hand corner, there's the name, project name, city, region. And if you click on it, you can't do that because it's actually in the theme itself. It's in the what's normally called the master slide. Now, to get there, we go to slide and edit theme. And what will end up happening is this will be the theme that's actually the entire slideshow. Now, this is great if you start working on background images or you need to make your own slide to make a background image when you get into the base map. But for our intents and purposes for changing this, go to the top slide, not the bottom ones, the top. And then as you click on here, this now becomes active. So first thing we want to do is take off the highlighting because we don't want any of this highlighted. There we go. And I'm going to put in my name, Javan K. Bernakevitch, project name, the Bernakevitch Urban Oasis, city, region, country. So whatever that means for you, if you're in a place where there's a region or county, that's fine. So for this, it's Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and whatever version of the course, wherever you're in. So if you're in the pro course, go OSU PDC Pro. If you're in the regular course, just keep it as PDC and then Pro. And then right in here, we're going to put in what the term is. So this is the winter, spring 2022 course. Great. Now you'll notice that the line moved down to the bottom and we don't want that. So what we'll do is if it gets too long, it'll move to the next line. So all we have to do is go to the right-hand side of this box, take one of the highlighted edges. I'll take the middle one and this extend it a little bit more. So that way it just comes out. And I've noticed I've got a double bracket. So I'll double click on that text again and just put in a single bracket. And because I'm a little persnickety, I'm just going to pull this up. So that way it's nice and tight. Great. Take one more look. That all looks good. The breaks in between there look good. There's no double spacing. Fantastic. Okay. Now you don't have to save this. The way we get out of this is just X in the top right-hand corner. And now you'll notice that any slide we go to that uses that master theme slide is going to be there. Now, if you get to some of these and it crosses over and there's elements in front of it, don't worry, it's not a big deal. If that really bugs you, you can always change the font size of this. So we can go back to slide, back to edit theme, back to the top slide, and then triple click on that. And then I'm just going to kind of drop that down a little bit and then come out. And then, yeah, okay, so it's just a little bit more. So I might go back in one more time. So slide, edit theme, and then again, up to that top slide, triple click, one. Oh, maybe I only have to do it one. There we go. Fantastic. We need that on every single slide for us as graders. And also when you do your peer reviews of each other, you'll want to have a sense of where this person is in the world and what's going on with them. So that needs to be on every single slide. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.